guys, welcome back to another episode of Autohrycfix. We're here again in my sister-in-law's garage, and today we're going to be working on the 2016 Honda CRV. As you guys know, I used to be a mechanic way back when, for about 20 years, and now I'm just here teaching you guys some new things that you can learn. Today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on the 2.4 liter non-turbo 2016 Honda CRV. I already went ahead and I purchased the spark plugs at my local Honda dealership. Here they are. I'll leave the part number in the description down below. A few tools that you're going to be needing is a 10mm socket to remove the upper casing and to remove your coil packs, and you'll need a 14mm spark plug remover. The newer models have the smaller spark plugs, so I strongly suggest you guys go ahead and purchase the 14mm spark plug remover. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first things first, you're going to have to remove these 5 bolts right here to remove the top cover of the coil packs. Go ahead and remove that. And so there, when you remove the top cover from the valve cover, there are your 4 coil packs. Again, they are all bolted with a 10mm socket. So you're going to try to remove all of them. One quick suggestion is that while you're removing the coil packs, not to mix them up, I would put them in order on the top here, where on the call grill. If not, you can always mark them 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to unscrew. Now we're going to take our spark plug remover and we're just going to remove all the 4 spark plugs. If you want, some people do it one at a time. If you're afraid that sort of nothing falls into the cylinder, you can go ahead and do that as well. But you can just take them all off, all 4, and just put them all, the new ones, back in right away as well. Again, these spark plugs are in pretty good condition. We're just replacing them for routine maintenance. So as you can see, these spark plugs are a nice chocolate milk color at the tip, and there's no carbon, so that means the car is running pretty good. I already went ahead and I gapped my spark plugs. Usually when you come from the dealership, they already are, but I already verified them. There is a gapping tool that you can purchase. I'll leave the link in the description down below, and I'll also leave the gapping degree as well. There are many gapping tools out there. The one I use most often is this little type right here. You just gotta, and you can turn it to where the proper gapping that you want for it, depending on which spark plug you're using. To always hand tighten my spark plugs before tightening a final tightening with the ratchet. I'm going to go ahead and do it one by one just to make sure. So now to tighten them, as you guys can see on the spark plug, there is a collapsible washer. We're going to tighten it, make it just tight so that it's like a full turn tight, and then give it a nice quarter turn to collapse that washer, and then you'll know that it's tightened properly. Now we'll just go ahead and reinstall our coil packs. Just be careful when you're plugging it back, the coil back in. Always try and make sure you hear the click so that the connector is well seated onto the coil pack. Reinstall the cover for the coil packs. And there you have it. So we replaced these spark plugs on a 2016 Honda CRV. Pretty quick and pretty easy job to do. I know some other models it's a little bit more difficult, especially when you come to the V6s or the V8s, but here the inline 4, very easy to do. And again, my spark plugs were already gapped when I purchased them, but you should always verify your gap of your spark just to make sure that everything is okay. And again, I will leave in the description down below the spark plug gapper tool. So with that said, I hope you guys found this video very interesting. If you guys like content like this, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, have a good one.